What a beautiful day today. Sun is shining, flowers blooming. Perfect. Evan, wake up! Snap out of it, Evan. The world is not what you see it as. It's not pretty flowers everywhere, bees flying, pollinating, everything perfect. No, it's not like that. It never was like that. Evan, you keep blocking all of these global issues. And after all this time, it's time you faced these problems. You have to face them before it's too late. Before your son, your grandson, their son after that has to pay for what you couldn't take the time to fix. Climate change. You don't see it outside. You don't see it in the streets. But that's because carbon, greenhouse gases, they're invisible. But in reality, our world is warming up at a speed that it has never been at before. Remember that one day when you were about to go outside in December? I'm on my way outside to get some fresh air. I assume that it's cold today because it's the week before Christmas. Just gotta put on my jacket, my scarf, my hat, my gloves to make sure that I'm warm. Wish me luck in this cold weather.
A few inches later.
Hot, hot, hot. Oh my gosh, it's so hot outside. Why did I wear this much clothes? The nitrogen cycle? Oh man, the nitrogen cycle. Farmers all over the world plant nitrogen-filled fertilizer into their crops. Too much. A lot of the nitrogen is run off into rivers, lakes, oceans, and guess what happens to that water? Yeah, it turns into our drinking water. Remember what happened last summer when you drank that water? I'm very thirsty after that walk. Let me drink some water. Also, when the nitrogen enters the ocean, it causes anosmia, which means no oxygen, and hypoxia, which means low oxygen for the ocean. This causes many marine animals that require oxygen in the water to die, to go extinct. This also damages severely the biodiversity by degrading food webs and degrading habitats. At Lake Bernard in October, do you remember what you saw? Just walking on the beach, whoa! Or help, no oxygen! Why? Evan, as a farmer, why didn't you pay more attention? Why couldn't you plant less nitrogen-filled fertilizer in your crops? Do you know how many consequences have been provoked when nitric oxide and nitrous oxide went out into the atmosphere, out into our world? Well, let me tell you about them. When you turn on your car engine, it emits greenhouse gases, nitric oxide, nitrous oxide. This contributes to acid rain and smog. The amount of nitrous dioxide that we have emitted into our atmosphere since the Industrial Revolution has caused our Earth to warm way too much, which is climate change. Many believe that climate change isn't a thing, but look around you. It's December and it's raining outside. Is that natural? Is that normal? Don't worry, Evan. It's not too late to make a change. If all the meat eaters in the world adapted to a more vegetarian diet, then farmers like you wouldn't have to use nitrogen-filled fertilizer for their plants. These plants are mainly eaten by cows and pigs, which are then food for us. Therefore, with less meat eaters equals to less excess nitrogen. However, sadly, recently in the US and in Asia, the amount of meat eaters has been rising instead of falling. Something you can do, Evan, a more low-cost, low-tech way of reducing the amount of excess nitrogen in our atmosphere, you can improve the way you rotate your crops and fertilize your land. Do you know that in the American Midwest, farmers over-fertilize? They do this when the weather is unpredictable. However, when they do this, winter snow and spring thaw wash away a ton of nitrogen into nearby lakes and rivers. And don't even think for 1 second that you don't over-fertilize. Remember that one summer day when just fertilizing my crops. Wait, is anyone watching me? Okay, good. I'll just over-fertilize a bit so I don't have to come back later. The solution to this is don't be lazy and add fertilizer only when needed. This way, there won't be any excess nitrogen running off into lakes and rivers. Currently, less than half of the nitrogen that we put into our crops go towards the food that we eat. Evan, you may not think you have the power to make a change, but you have supposed friends, you have co-workers, you have colleagues. You're not the only one fighting this battle, Evan. Currently, the US government has a law that monitors the amount of nitrogen that is in the air. Spread the message. I want you to know that you can make a difference. You can truly make a difference if you just put in the effort to do so. Oh, do you hear that? That's the alarm to go fertilize the crops. Make the right choice, Evan.